Hello you guys, and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I am going to be showing you how I made this, decorated this water bottle. I actually got this water bottle from Walmart. It was $1. This flask I got from Walmart as well for $1. It was on clearance last year around a little after Christmas time. And I got a bunch of them. I probably got about 100 of these. So yeah, I'm going on a cruise in 2 weeks, so I wanted to have me a cute water bottle to tote around the cruise. So I did this I did really quick. The stones, I got these from Joann's, and I mixed them. They actually came in this little container here. So I just mixed the colors together. And I put this name on here. I printed this name, or this little decal sticker here, with my Cricut. So this is vinyl. If you need to know how to do this, I'll show you. I'll be doing some other videos though, using my Cricut and showing you all how to use the Cricut. I put Candy Girl on this tumbler because I had these little candy, I think they call them cabochons, but I bought these for Amazon, and I was gonna put like candy on it just to kind of do something a little different. I was gonna put some up top at the bottom and maybe like around the sides, but I don't think I like it, so I didn't add any. But I had already printed this decal and put it on here, so I just left it. I still might add like a few of these around the sides, but I think I kind of like it the way it is. These might look better on here if I add some on the flask. I'm not sure if I'll add those. Like I said, this here is for me. And I'm kind of too grown to be walking around with candy on my stuff. But then again, I'm not. But yeah, so I'll show you all how I achieved this. I actually was going to record myself doing this one, but I work nights and I just took it to work with me last night and just did it while I was there. So this is a cute little set. It actually came out nice, even though I didn't add the candy to it. Like I said, I still might add some just to be a little extra. But yeah, so this is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to bling a tumbler. Like I said, these came from Walmart. This came from Walmart. The flask came from Walmart. I think the regular price for these was like $3. You can find them in the camping section, and it comes in a box like this. The design, you can actually take that off with acetone. So we're going to do the bottom and top of a tumbler real quick. And for the one that I'm doing, I'll probably add I'm not sure if I'll add a name to it. I did cut out some images using my Cricut already. So I'm probably going to do maybe, I got a few different colors here. I like the one that got the little loop on the top. This is kind of good for like when you want to carry it around. This I bought like at the beginning of the summer, and this one came from Walmart as well, but it don't have the little attachment at the top. I want to do the yellow one, but I might want to do one of these so it's easy to carry around. This is the pink one. That's how it looked plain. So I'll probably do this one here. I'll do this one. So first I am going to weed my decal that I'm going to be putting on here. This is a picture of an Afro girl. I believe I got this image from, this is a Coco Twins image. So I'm just going to weed off the edge. And this is permanent vinyl. I've used this on cups before. And it really don't come off like when you wash it and stuff. So This here is my little, it's like a little container I use when I'm weeding vinyl. This is actually a baby, you can find this in the Walmart in like a baby snack section, the baby cup section in the baby department where they had a little baby cups and bottles and stuff. It's real good for when you're weeding vinyl. So I'm just gonna weed out. Her nose is really thin, so you gotta be very careful weeding this so I don't lose the little nose piece. And it looked like I might lose it. It's so thin. I'm actually not even gonna keep it. So this is my image. I'm going to add to my tumbler. I have some, so this here is contact paper. It's Duck brand. I got this at Walmart as well. You can get a big roll for like, it's $5 and some change. And I use this as my transfer paper versus using Cricut. Cricut transfer paper. So I'm just gonna separate this, peel that off. And I did lay it on there crooked, but I just got this little piece of small yucca board here that I have, just since I'm working on top of this towel. I'm gonna get my little scraper here. Get the adhesive, the transfer tape good in here to my decal. Sometimes when you go to lift it up, a part of your decal still be laid down. You just need to go back over it with your scraper. So I'm gonna just gently peel that off. And I'm just gonna move that out my way and bring my tumbler over here. I'm gonna stand up so I can I think I printed this kind of too big, but I'm gonna just stand up so I can get it as even as I can. I'm gonna press down. All right, so for this tumbler, you got some little air bubbles there. I'm gonna be covering that up with stones, but if you was doing this and you wouldn't cover it up and you get sorry, I'm probably out of frame, and you get the little air bubbles, let's say you just gonna keep this like this, you want to take and just pop those air bubbles and just lay it down. Like I said, I'm not going to too much worry about it for my project because it won't be seen. I'm actually going around all of this with stones. And then I'm going to do the top and bottom like I did the tumbler I just showed you all. So for my stones, I think I'm going to use the same colors. Like I said, this is just these stones, and I just took and mixed some of them up. But I think for this tumbler, I think I'm gonna add some of these black ones. And I think I got these from I think I might have got these from eBay a while back. So I'm gonna just add those black to my little mixture here. And we are going to use this mixture to do her hair, the top and the bottom of our tumbler. Okay, y'all, so I am back. As you can see, I done created this little rig to kind of hold my cup. I don't have a cup holder or a tumbler holder for when I'm doing or designing cups, so I probably will be making one soon. Either, I know you can use the pool noodles, or you can make one with the PVC pipe. I'll probably make the with the PVC pipe. So I actually made a separate mixture for this here tumbler because I don't want it to look too much like this one. So I was gonna use this that I already had mixed, and I just added some black to it, but I just changed it up. So this here is my little tray, and I just scoop them out as I need some. So I have them here. I actually got too many in here, but it's okay. I can kind of work around that. I use E6000. I have this crystal katana. I actually need a new one because this one is like really old, but it still works. It'll still get the job done. So I'm going to start by slowly just adding some E6000 where I'm going to be laying my stones. So we're going to do the head first, and then we'll do the top and the bottom. While I'm doing the top and the bottom, I probably won't even use this. I just hold it. So I just pick up my stones and just lay them just wherever you want them. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You design it to your liking. That's what I do. I just try to space the stones so the same stones are not always falling or ending up right next to each other. But sometimes that do happen, and if it does, it's not a problem. But so we'll just keep it moving since we dropped that one, but we're gonna keep it moving. So you just want to pay attention to where you put in your stones, like I said, so you're not always adding the same color right next to a color that's like it. Yeah. These here stones right here, these are like iron-on stones, but I've had them so long and they actually match the color, so I'm going to use these on this here tumbler. Kind of easier. I mean, if you're working in small sections, you could use the tray. Sometimes I use a big bowl or a glass dish. I think I can move a little faster if I just dump them out like I just did. So you just want to keep adding your stones or your half pearl pieces until you fill the head in. this tip. There's some glue right there, but I feel like I need just a little bit more because I don't want my stones falling off. Usually you don't have that issue with E6000 if you use enough. You ain't gotta use too much, like just enough. Just enough. There, and just need one more. Add there. Yeah, we actually done. Got a little string of glue here. I usually clean it off once it's dry. Just wipe around it with a little bit of alcohol. And there is our afro. Fill it all in. Like I said, I'm gonna leave her lips black and the chin. She actually did have a nose. You probably wouldn't have known if I wouldn't have told. I mean, if I didn't tell you. But she did have like a little nose piece, but it was so small, I just got rid of that little piece of vinyl. So now I'm going to do the tip and the bottom the same way I just did this. And I'll be back. Alright, so I feel like I need to record some of this with me doing like the top and the side. So I just turned the camera back on. Okay, you guys, so I finally finished beating the flask. It took me about an hour and a half. So it's complete. I actually like the set, so I just wanted to go ahead and show you all. Again, this is the finished flask and the tumbler. It's nothing on the back of the tumbler. I might put a name back there. So that is the tumbler. And here's the flask. So I just put the stones around the back, the front, and the side. So hope you like it. If you like content like this, please like the video, comment on the video, let me know some stuff that you all, some other things you all would like to see. Share the video and subscribe to the channel because I'll be doing other craft related stuff as well. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.